Do you know how to make an animated science video? An overview of what you need to know. In Keynote, you need to know how to use presenter notes. You open through the View menu. You type your narration in here. It might be animated, but it's about the story. It's about demonstrating understanding or teaching something new. You need images for your video, drawn or imported. It's not a book after all. And you need to animate them. There are 3 kinds. Build-in, action, this one next is an action example, and a build-out, which they will all do now. You need to record your narration. You could actually record the narration right in your animation in Keynote. You do it like this. Up here and record. You can also go to play, record slideshow. It is a good idea to use the rehearse slideshow function to practice your timing and reduce the amount of editing required due to error later on. There is a suggested video at the end of this that will demonstrate how to customize your toolbar. Now, if you don't see your script, don't panic. All you need to do is move your mouse, go over here, and make sure you select Presenter Notes. If you want to go really crazy, you could record the animation and video separately and mix them with sound effects and background music in iMovie or Final Cut Pro 10. You can also do this right in Keynote, but I find it easier to do so the other way. Up to you, you creative genius, you.
The world is a
remix.
Sent to J. Secret Destroyer. The world is a
remix.